In this video, I will show you how to place different game objects along the path. To create the path and the road, I have used the path creator from Sebastian. The link will be in the description. My road and the path is already pre-created. If you would like to learn it, watch my other tutorials. Here is my setup. I have the road and I have the path. Now let me show you how to put game objects along the path. In the folder of the tool, we have scripts and path placer. This is what we need. Drag and drop the script on our empty game object, which will act as our container for the obstacles. Let's now fill the references. We need reference to the path. We need a prefab. This will be a cube, which will be the obstacle. And now we need a reference to the holder. And immediately you can see the road is populated. To increase or decrease the number of obstacles, you can change the spacing value. As you can see, the number decreases and all game objects will be removed immediately. So also you can notice the rotation of the new game object is set properly. Hope this helps you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.